Yeah. This is gonna be real sketchy and bad, but we're gonna do it anyways. Yo, hell below, but I can feel the heat on my feet. The weekends got me sliding like I'm riding sleep. I put it down for my friends and my rivalries, so every day I feel duality inside of me. See, I was raised on the problem, talking the globe, but we can leave in a flash like a strobe. And I'm young, but feel old, so the future can't fear it. Got a room full of music and a handful of lyrics. That's a win-win recipe. And every day I catch away from my enemies. They fake as hell, I'm bugging out like a centipede. Sometimes I watch the world and tell it just to let me be. I'm gonna find my way home to be a miracle. Break a neck trying to make sense of my lyricals. They second guess and make me laugh, that's satirical. And if you find the devil, is it still spiritual? Well, hold up, I got my mind on the runaway train. Got the heart to put blood back in your veins, cause I've been viewing life through the same old frame. Body on the move, but I'm living in my brain. And I'm thinking like, these kids gon' talk they shit, cause that's just how it is. I put it down for my family and friends, that's all. You can't change the way that I live. These kids gon' talk they shit, cause that's just how it is. I put it down for my family and friends, that's all. You can't change the way that I live. Yo, back to the basics, raps in the basement. I got life, so why the hell would I waste it? I dream, I embrace it. See you in the real life, kicking bomb shit. Success is what it feels like. I've been moving slow though. The winter cold got me freezing up my soul, yo. I've been through more ups and downs than a yo-yo, but always seem to fit the frame like a photo. They say they're ill, but I call that shit a theory. My words scare 'em, but I like it how they fear me. I got some concrete goals I see clearly. You try to stop me, I will break you sincerely. Because, yo, these kids gon' talk they shit, but that's just how it is. I put it down for my family and friends, that's all. You can't change the way that I live. These kids gon' talk they shit, and that's just how it is. I put it down for my family and friends, that's all. You can't change the way that I live. Yo, these kids gon' talk they shit. These kids gon' talk they shit, yeah.